Apple AirPods, $99. This next accessory is one that I thought would never make the list. The Apple AirPods. They are compact wireless headphones with a charging case, making them perfect for work on the go. These wireless headphones connect via Bluetooth for quick connection to your iPad and other devices. When opening the AirPods case, there is a green light that indicates a full charge, an orange light that indicates charging, and a white light prompting when clicking to pair the device to a device or computer. The AirPods are housed in a minimal white case that also charges via Lightning to USB-C. These headphones have a strong connection when listening, allowing you to hear the audio for up to 5 hours of listening on a single charge from a device on the other end of the house without losing the connection. That's my personal experience right there. Making listening to podcasts or instructional videos a breeze without being stuck at your desk, or opting for large headphones that can be uncomfortable after wearing for long working sessions. I've lost track of these headphones too many times in the couch to take them out of the house, but if you decide to take them on the go, they can be a great solution to wired headphones. Hopefully, you don't have to play hide and seek with them. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.